Forgot the gurus. This channel makes thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part, almost the entire video production was outsourced, completely for free. If you think you need hundreds of dollars to build a successful faceless YouTube channel, let me tell you, you have been seriously lied. It has never been easier to start an online business than it's today, and in this video I will show you a complete blueprint how I would build my first faceless YouTube channel that brings me over $5,000 passive every single month. But first, what exactly is YouTube automation? It's very simple. You outsource the video production to freelancer or use AI tools to handle it. And your only real job is to find profitable niche and good video topics. You get paid directly by YouTube since advertiser places ads on your videos and YouTube shares the revenue with you. And that's not at all. There are even more ways to make money with your videos, but I will explain it later. So let's jump straight into the first step, and that's the niche. Shortly, a niche is the topic or subject area you decide to create videos about. Examples include football videos or political news. The niche is the most important factor on YouTube. It's like the foundation of a house. It determines where house will stand or collapse, and that's the same applies to YouTube. If you pick the wrong niche, you could end up losing thousands of dollars on video production or wasting a lot of time. So what makes a good niche? We have to keep in mind that our goal is to earn over $5,000 per month. That means we need niches with high RPMs. RPM stands for revenue per mil, which tells you how much money you earn per 1,000 views. This can vary a lot depending on the advertisers running ads. Companies tend to advertise more in niches with higher purchasing power, usually adult audience. Niches with high RPMs include tech, real estate and healthcare, where you can sometimes earn $20 per 1,000 views. In other niches like kids content or gaming, you might earn $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. A huge difference, and that's exactly what we want to take advantage of. It's also important that the niche has a high demand. There's no point in producing videos in a niche that only gets around 3,000 views. Stay sure that the niche is evergreen, meaning people will always be interested in, so you can earn passive money with consistent views. Typical mistakes include motivational videos or topic compilations. There are just too many of these on YouTube and it's hard to stand out. A great example is the channel How Money Works. They published videos about everything related to money, and from my own experience, these niches gives them a solid RPM of at least $10 per 1,000 views. They make over $45,000 every single month with only 5 videos, just because they picked the right niche. Now let's move on to step 2, and that's the video production. This is where it's getting exciting, and this is exactly where I would use AI. AI is on the rise, and in the next years it's going to take over large parts of YouTube. Video production can be broken down into several parts, and the first step is the script. Firstly, you choose your niche. For example, I will use the health niche. We need a topic with a matching script. My topic is 5 things you are not getting enough sleep. You go now into ChatGPT or Claude and giving the following prompt. Hi ChatGPT, write me a captivating YouTube script, and now your topic. Explain it in an engaging educational style with a clear structure. My target audience is people struggling with sleep. Also make sure to click on deep research. After that, ChatGPT will give you a perfect script. Comment script in the comments if you want the exact prompt. Now it's time for the voiceover, and here you can record it yourself manually or use 11 Labs. I would recommend this tool to anyone. You can test it for free and later you can pay it for the full version. For the start, the free version is more than enough. You will find the link to the tool in the description. Here you can paste your script from ChatGPT and the AI will read it out in a professional voice. So now download the generated voice. Next up is the editing, and this is the most time-consuming part of the video. We still want to keep the editing as cost-effective as possible. We will use the tool Pictory. It costs a little, but it's definitely worth. It saves money and time. You can paste your voiceover or script and the AI will create a finished video with matching images, subtitles and effects in just few minutes. You can also edit it manually afterwards if something doesn't look right. The link is always in the description. Another option is CapCut, a free editing program. Here you can edit your videos yourself for free with better effects. There's also a paid version, but for beginners the free version is more than enough. Now the editing is done, your video is basically ready. Now let's do the thumbnail. This is the photo that viewers see before clicking on your video. Along with the topic and the title, this is one of the most important elements of each viral video. Here I would use Canva or PixArt. Both are free. Choose a simple background, show a tired looking person, and write the text 5 things you are not getting enough sleep. Yes, that looks very good. Alternative, you can also use AI for this. The tool is called Pickles, which costs a few dollars. You will find the link in the description along with a great discount. You just need to copy the prompt where you describe your thumbnail, and in just few minutes it will generate a high quality viral thumbnail for you. So your video production is complete. You're now ready for the next step. Step 3. Upload and scaling. Now that we have the finished video, we just need to upload it on YouTube. But before, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Use VidIQ. This is also a free tool, link in the description. Here you can generate good keywords by entering your video title in the text field. These keywords help your video to rank more and better on YouTube, which help you to more clicks. Use attention grabbing words like secret or fascinating in your titles to boost your views. Also make sure to include the most important information in the first 100 words of your description. A good example is time steps. Here you explain what happens in your video in which time gap. This helps YouTube to analyze better your content and which community like your video. And now your video is ready to upload it. But none of these will matter if you don't understand how YouTube really works, especially in the beginning. You should publish 5 to 7 videos per week if you want to see real results. The first weeks are important because YouTube will promote your videos so much. If you are not posting regular, maybe only 1 video per week, this is not good because that sends a bad signal to YouTube, and YouTube will not share your content, so we want to avoid that. After publishing your first 3 videos, make sure that you analyze your analytics in the YouTube Studio app. Show to the click-through rate, short CTR. This shows how often viewers clicked on your videos. A CTR of around 8 to 10% is considered pretty good. But if it's below under 5% or even under 7%, that's a warning thing that you need to improve your thumbnails. Don't forget about watch time. Look at the graph at the start of your video. If it drops down, it means viewers are leaving very quickly. This is a clear signal that you might need to work on your script to keep people engaged on your full video. Test different video formats from your competitors and copy what's already work on YouTube. For example, if you talk about certain products in your videos, you can also promote them with affiliate links. This way you can earn a little provision if your viewers buy on your link. If your videos start getting more views, so you can replace your entire video production to freelancers. This allows you to produce more videos, scale faster and increase your income. My own channel blew up when I started outsourcing production to the freelancers, but I was in the same situation as you. I started YouTube doing everything myself and using AI tools. Now you learned how to build your own faceless YouTube channel with low budget, scale it and follow a proven strategy with profitable niches. In my next video I will show you a complete new niche that almost unknown on YouTube. A niche where you can earn thousands of dollars from just one single video. To make sure that you don't miss it, subscribe to my channel now. Like this video if you appreciate this free value, the kind that other YouTube pros charge thousands of dollars for it. Comment below if you have any questions about YouTube automation, and don't forget to download the tools from today's video in the description. See you in the next video.